The only guns I'm gonna use are right here. I'm not gonna shoot guns, but I think some of the girls are gonna try out gun shooting. I don't know if it's their first time or not, but this might be a bit surprise. It's actually way more intense than it looks. A bit for the ears and the arms. So let's hope nobody gets hurt in the shoots. Natasha is gonna shoot. I don't know how many kilograms she weighs at the moment, so I'm curious to see how much she will fly back with this gun. Are you ready, Natasha?
More?
We can't let the guy of the shooting range not go home without a cool picture with all the girls. Our videographer Felix today doesn't only have fun shooting the model.
Family! We got a videographer and protector, Felix.
We just got our fresh Vagabond flag in the house. Of course we need to take a photo with it.
Little branding never hurt nobody, right? The shot is all about the flag, all the rest is a prop. Just kidding, of course, just kidding. I don't know why Mr. Mimix came out there for a sec, but hey, everybody's welcome at the Vagabond party.
This looks pretty awesome. One girl, one gun, one flag. Bunch of Vagabond. One girl, one model, one gun, one flag, and a bunch of vagabonds. First time Jones was on our trip, he was only shooting with a phone. This time he bought a camera, so that's really cool to see how people evolve when they come on next Vagabond Vacations. It's really upped his quality and also his posing and everything. You see, he's like directing the girls. It's very awesome to see how people really grow each time we shoot with them.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! Almost killed the guy without a gun.
He actually became so good at posing the models that all I have to do to take a cool B-roll shot is just swoop in and take the same video as. So thank you, Joey. Sometimes as a photographer, both you and the model need to get dirty to get the shot. That's what's happening here. The model and the photographer on the same line. It's kind of funny actually. They're both like aiming and shooting each other.
You don't have any more place in your camera?
Yeah, fuck
no more storage?
No.
I think it's time to go back to the roots.
I need to find someone with a memory card.
No, go back to the roots. Take out that phone. Badass, 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 and...
Felix had an awesome idea for a shot, so I'm gonna let him explain the idea and then shoot it.
Okay, so actually the girl were back to back. Don't move too much. We're gonna use bags.
Oh!
Little
Wait,
fitness
it might be
session.
a little bit heavy, okay? And we're gonna put the big gun on the bags like this.
Is it heavy or? It looked pretty heavy, but it's awesome. Every time you go to Vagabond Vacations, you'll get a little workout as well. Maybe they do need some massage now, Felix. It was your idea. I think you will have to fix their back. Something that also sometimes happens on the Vagabond Vacations is the models turning into photographers. We got Alessia here, pro photographer since today.
And JC rocking some self-improvised merch with our beautiful Vagabond smiley everywhere on it.
Oh shit, that's fucked up. I didn't see it yet that it was our smiley.
Here fucking go, baby. Where is it? Turn that frown upside down. Today when sitting on the tram shoot, I was looking down and I had these like 10-15 sad guys looking at me, because from my perspective they all look sad. So that's something I need to work around. But for other people, it looks like happiness. For me, the world is sadness now. So we gotta fix that in the next edition of this beautiful outfit. It's good.
What time is it, JC?
It's time for this awesome activity on the Vagabond Vacations. If you want to be part of these trips and amazing activities with beautiful models, crazy locations, you know who to hit up. That's Vagabond Vacations. And be part of the fun. I might have to quit my job and hand over my camera to Alessia.
Oh, I like the leg shot, yeah. Some POV action from the model, why not?
She learned from the best.
There were already not so many rules, but I think indeed now...
we only had one rule, really. Don't aim at that trick.
It's my third shooting in life.
Well, you're getting a lot of experience now because we do so many shoots every day. We got one last smoke bomb and one last shot of the day. So Alessia is gonna have the mask on, the smoke bomb in the rain. It's gonna look pretty grungy, pretty moody. And we will have my assistant Natasha helping me not be wet with my camera. It went out. Practical problems, the rain killed the smoke bomb. And it might be really the end of it.